Week 16, day 1, refine one project. And I'll say you can do this in two ways. One is you could take a project that you have, especially if you are newer to UX design, you can take a project that you've done and improve it. And in this case, you take a screenshot before and after to document the improvements. And if you want to go so far as to make it evidence-based, you could certainly go out, based on previous weeks in the Designerama, and you could run usability tests on it. You could go so far as to produce or to conduct a mini focus group and get input and then make revisions. And it could be a fairly strong item to communicate to others. At a minimum, it would just be a good experience to go through this. The other direction you could go is improve on one of your case studies, because in all ways, your case studies are an interface that hiring managers use to determine whether or not they want to talk to you about opportunities for work, right? So either way you go, capture the beginning. If it's a case study, it's just for your own learning process. But go through and think about visuals, clarity, layout, flow, and improve upon it. So if you're working on an app design or a website design that you've worked on before, do the before and after, and even go so far as when you're communicating to talk about why you made decisions. If you did any user research, talk about how the user research impacted your decisions to change certain aspects of it. And it is important to think about this, on a day-to-day basis, because everything that we introduce into the world as a usable thing for other people, it starts on the day that it is, at least in a broader sense, it starts on the day that it's exposed to the public, and it stops on the day that it is removed from the public's access. And every day in between, that thing is growing, whether it's to provide technical stability, whether it's to make improvements so that it supports people better, it's to adjust to new contexts in society or regulation or flow, but they're constantly changing. So it is an opportunity for you to step back and make improvements to an app or website. But I would say also take this as an opportunity to improve one of your case studies and to improve how well it communicates to a possible end user. Something that you should be doing all the time with your case studies, just to make sure that they are representative of who you are, who you want to be, where you want to go, who you want to work for, so on and so forth. Good luck with this one. Left it very broad just so that it can support you in multi-layered, and look forward to seeing what you do.